So what is Grandma making today? What do you think I'm making? Fold 6 squares into little triangles and make one big one. Like this. String the triangles together and make the dragon's tail. Put beads and other fun things on the loose strings. Draw a face. String the big triangle head onto the tail in the opposite direction. Leave some string so you can hold your dragon. Now you have a special dragon. To make more, subscribe to Jenny Choma Kids. Boop, 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 boop.